students of class 6. Today we will end the chapter An Ice Enveloped Continent. Already we had discussed in the first part and the second part of the video regarding the location of Antarctica, where is Antarctica located, about the physical features, its highest peak, the important glaciers, where it is located, the latitudinal and longitudinal extension, about the climate of Antarctica. And in the second video we had already done about the life of Antarctica, about its floral kingdom, about its fauna kingdom, about the migratory birds, and about the explorations of Antarctica, the people or the scientists who explore the continent. Okay, already done. So today we will start from page 51. Here first we will mark about the largest research station of Antarctica, which is the largest research center in Antarctica. The McMurdo is the largest, McMurdo of USA is the largest research stations of USA in Antarctica, the McMurdo. MC Murodo. The McMurdo is the largest research station of USA in Antarctica. The Indian scientists reached Antarctica and tried to explore the continent by making several research stations in Antarctica. The two such research stations of India in Antarctica is Dakshin Gangotri and Moitrey. These are the two research stations of India in Antarctica. So first we will read about Dakshin Gangotri. Indian team reached Antarctica on 9th January in 1982. So Indian scientists reached Antarctica. Team of Indian scientists reached Antarctica on 9th January 1982. It set up a permanent base camp on the coastal strip near 70 degrees south and 12 degrees east, named Dakshin Gangotri. Okay, the name of the research center is Dakshin Gangotri. In 1989, a second research station was installed on a rocky foundation 70 km away from Dakshin Gangotri, and the name of the research center is Moitrey. So Dakshin Gangotri established first and the second research center was Moitrey. Now Antarctica, the continent of science, we already explained that regarding the Treaty of Antarctica. In Antarctica, mining exploration is not possible, nuclear exploitations is not possible. Only for scientific reason the continent can be used. Antarctica is an international land open to all the nations of the world. A number of governments of different countries like USA, Russia, Norway, Britain, Australia, New Zealand, Spain, Germany, Japan and India maintain permanent research stations in Antarctica. These research stations are constructed either on rock or ice on a fixed place. Many of the stations are staffed throughout the year. The number of people performing scientific research on Antarctica varies from 4,000 during summer, that is November, December is summer time there in Antarctica. There it is 4,000 and become about 1,000 during the winter, that is the June time. So during summer time, that is as it is in the southern hemisphere, November, December is summer time, there the number of scientists in Antarctica is more, whereas in the month of June, that is during the winter season, the number of explorers is less, about 1,000. Atmospheric, biological, earth and chemical, medical sciences are studied there. Scientists from different nations carry out research works. Iron ore, chromium, oil, underline, iron ore, chromium, oil, gaseous, copper, gold, etc. are some of the resources found on Antarctica. Please underline. But because of ice cover and hostile environment, hostile means not suitable, these resources cannot be exploited. Now about the future of Antarctica. Antarctica is a continent dedicated for peace and harmony, for science. There is an ecological balance in nature. To maintain this ecological balance, Antarctica is protected from mineral exploitations and fishing. There, number of tourists in Antarctica is increasing for the last 15 years. The number of tourists also escalated in future. This increase may impact on the natural environment of Antarctica. You know, global warming is another important is an important problem that Antarctica is facing. Because of global warming, the ice or the glacier ice packs or ice sheets or the glaciers in Antarctica have started to melt. And for this reason, the global temperature will increase and it causes the melting of the ice sheets, and these pictures of such melting of the glaciers is found by the satellite images. The satellite pictures shows that West Antarctic ice sheet is thinning and even may collapse in future. So we should use the continent in such a way that in future this problem will solve. So we are in the end of the chapter, part 1, part 2, part 3 done. So you should read the chapter. This chapter is very interesting and it is in the second unit test. Thank you, class.